Are you looking for an Amazon Alexa that truly delivers, not just on performance, but on real value, durability, and design excellence? You've come to the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best Amazon Alexa you can get right now. Carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have like new Amazon Echo Show 8 with spatial audio, smart home hub, and Alexa. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful. Perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. The like new Amazon Echo Show 8 with spatial audio brings a warm mix of smart home control entertainment and daily convenience that feels natural for users across the USA and worldwide, as it blends clear visuals, smooth sound, and hands-free help from Alexa in one compact device. The bright display makes video calls, streaming, and step-by-step recipes easy to follow, and the spatial audio adds a fuller and more pleasant sound for music, movies, and daily listening without feeling overwhelming. This device works as a smart home hub, so you can manage lights, cameras, and other devices with simple voice commands, which makes routines feel easier whether you are at home or away. A strong pro is the smooth voice recognition that responds quickly and helps you multitask throughout the day, and the camera quality makes video calls clear enough for family chats and work meetings. Another benefit is the clean design that fits nicely on a desk, a kitchen counter, or a nightstand, with a setup that stays simple even for new users. A small drawback is that the camera shutter needs to be closed manually for privacy, and some users may prefer a larger screen if they plan to watch long videos. Another con is that certain features work best within the Amazon ecosystem, which may feel limiting for those who use a mix of brands. Even with these points, the Echo Show 8 offers an enjoyable balance of smart features, sound quality, and daily practicality for many homes. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. Moving up the list, number 4 is where design meets innovation. Coming in at number 4, we have the Amazon Echo Show 5 Smart Display with 2x the bass and clearer sound, charcoal. Known for its cutting-edge features and solid performance that users around the world are loving. The Amazon Echo Show 5 in charcoal offers a pleasant mix of clear sound, simple smart home control, and a compact display that feels welcoming for both USA and international users, as it brings everyday convenience into a small space that fits easily on a nightstand, kitchen counter, or work desk. The improved sound with twice the bass makes music, podcasts, and alarms feel fuller while staying gentle enough for daily listening, and the brighter display helps you enjoy quick video calls, follow recipes, or check the weather without any effort. One strong pro is how smoothly Alexa responds, which makes routines like setting reminders, controlling lights, and checking cameras feel quick and natural, and another benefit is the built-in camera shutter that gives you extra peace of mind when you want more privacy. The design is clean and easy to place in any room, and the setup stays simple even for users who are new to smart displays. A small con is that the screen is compact, which may feel limiting if you often watch long videos, and another drawback is that some features work best when you stay within the Amazon ecosystem, which may not fit every home that uses mixed brands. Even with these points, the Echo Show 5 offers a balanced blend of sound quality, smart features, and daily comfort that makes it a practical choice for many households looking to add a friendly voice assistant and a small screen that handles quick tasks with ease. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, Amazon Echo Vibrant sounding Alexa speaker, great for bedrooms, dining rooms, and offices. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. The Amazon Echo Dot brings smart home convenience and vibrant sound into a small package that works well in bedrooms, kitchens, offices, and more, whether you are in the USA or anywhere else in the world. It delivers richer bass and clearer vocals than older generations, which makes music, podcasts, news, and daily updates sound much better than a basic speaker. With built-in voice assistant support, you can ask it to set reminders, control smart lights, check weather news, play your favorite playlist, or add items to a shopping list, all with a simple phrase, which helps simplify everyday tasks and routines. Compact size fits easily on a desk or bedside table without clutter, and the easy setup works for both tech-savvy users and beginners. On the upside, it offers dependable Alexa integration, solid sound for its size, reliable voice control, and easy smart home compatibility. On the downside, the small speaker cannot fill a large room with sound if you like loud parties, and when you crank up the volume, the sound can distort, which makes it less ideal for high-volume music sessions. Another drawback is that it lacks a traditional audio jack, which limits wired connection to other speakers. Even with these trade-offs, the Echo Dot remains a great value for anyone who wants a friendly, always-ready voice assistant and a decent speaker for everyday listening without complicated setup or bulky hardware. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a runner-up at number 2, Amazon Echo Spot, great for nightstands, offices, and kitchens, smart alarm clock with Alexa. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. The Amazon Echo Spot 2024 smart alarm clock brings a perfect blend of smart convenience, vibrant sound, and easy daily control into a small package that's ideal for bedrooms, kitchens, or offices, whether you live in the USA or anywhere in the world. Its compact design features a bright screen that shows time, weather, and song titles at a glance, while Alexa quietly listens for your voice to set reminders, control smart lights, play music, or deliver news. The directional speaker offers richer sound than older alarms for music, podcasts, or morning routines, and the tap-to-snooze function makes waking up gentler and more intuitive than fumbling for your phone. On the plus side, it feels simple to set up, occupies minimal space, works well as an alarm clock with a clear display and voice controls, and blends easily into most rooms without clutter. On the downside, the screen is quite small, which limits video or camera feed use. It does not stream video or support live security camera views, and the sound, while fine for background listening, does not fill large rooms or match a full-size speaker in richness. Also, if you prefer more advanced display features, the reduced screen size may feel limiting. Still, for those who want a small smart clock with voice assistant features and enough sound for music or podcasts, the Echo Spot offers a balanced mix of utility, simplicity, and value that fits well into everyday life. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best of the best. At number 1, Amazon Echo Show 8 newest model with spatial audio, smart home hub, and Alexa charcoal. This one redefines what performance really means. Unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. The Amazon Echo Show 8 in charcoal brings a warm and practical blend of smart control, rich sound, and clear visuals that fits naturally into homes across the USA and around the world. This newest model adds spatial audio that makes music, podcasts, and video calls feel fuller and more pleasant, while the bright display lets you follow recipes, check the weather, or enjoy a quick show with smooth clarity. Its built-in smart home hub allows you to control lights, locks, and other compatible devices without extra equipment, which makes daily routines easier whether you are in a kitchen, living room, or workspace. Setup is simple, the interface feels friendly, and the camera works well for hands-free calls with family and friends. On the positive side, it offers stronger sound than older generations, faster response, better video call quality, and more reliable smart home support, which creates a more polished everyday experience. On the downside, its size may feel large if you prefer a small bedside device, and the sound, while rich, is not a match for a full home theater system. Some users may also feel that certain features work best when connected to compatible services, which may add extra steps. Even with these trade-offs, the Echo Show 8 stands out as a helpful and enjoyable companion for cooking, relaxing, learning, or staying connected, and it brings a comfortable balance of entertainment and productivity that suits many different homes and lifestyles. For full details and today's best offer, just click the link in the description. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.